Another day blessing date was this romantic. National for today, almighty national. Last week our bank at 63 drop live. This is the continuation of the plan. Last week we expected this 36 here should repeat to winning. And here you 63 and 63 repeated to winning. Okay. So here the center number 10 towards winning. And here too the center number 10 to winning, which is the same as first and last. And here too first and last, just exchange of position by this first and last. Okay, so now 23 drop at first position here, and here to 23 drop here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, this 23 here counter to fourth, this 23 here counter to fourth. So 1 2 3, what are you waiting for? Go and carry the 23 which counter here as a banker to win. So today first banker was 48. And here to 23, that counter here must counter back to 23 if possible. So we are going to add the 23 to it. So 2 sure 48 to 23 for today. This is 2 sure half for today. 48 23. I hope you understand the plan. Here to here, then it will counter back. It will counter back. And here to the 25 here repeated. So if that's the case, this 64 must repeat if possible. If possible, it's not part of my number. If possible, the 64 must repeat. But if you have this 64 as a banker, carry it. You see this number 10, okay, 10, and the following week it's repeated and repeated again. So if that's the case, this number 10, so if that's the case, this number 10 to 64, we are expecting the 64 should repeat if possible. 64 already, 64 is on this event. Okay, let me show you a plan here. National 1981, this is the first set, this is the third time plan. Group 6 at second, and following week group 5 at second should lap and give you a lapping addition of what? 74. Following week, this is the event. Following this is the event. And if you check here, the fourth position, the last position number here, jump to win as a banker and play with the 16. Okay, and second move to group 6 and group 5. Okay, the last position number here, jump to first position and play with the 54 back. So if that's the case, this one to play group 6 and group 5. So if that's the case, the 39 must come as a what? As a banker if possible today. Okay, and play with the 16 and the 54. So write this number aside, which is the 39 and the 16 and the 54 itself. The first one use 54, the second one use 16. So if that's the case, the third one is 39. Okay, I hope you understand this plan. Okay, if you check this plan to where the lapping addition sets 1 2 3 4, the fourth position number counter towards winning as 37, and the second move to 1 2 3 4, the fourth position number counter to winning as 64. So if that's the case, 1 2 3 4, the fourth position number is 76. So sorry, 71. So the 71 must counter today to 26. So this is my best 3 for today. This number must counter after the lapping addition set. This number must counter, and the second one to the same group with the same lapping. This number here must counter to 64. Okay, and the first set to the last position number move, and here to the last position number move. I'll confirm it later. That's the reason why I wrote this number here, which is 39, 16, and 54. I'll confirm it later. But this is my best 4 for today, which is 48, 23, 26. The best 4 is on the way coming, so don't worry. This romantic. I wish you all the best of luck. Let's see how it will be for national.